CAT 26 aspirants, today we are going to discuss the perfect weekly prep plan. So what do I mean by perfect weekly prep plan? बहुत सारे लोगों को दिक्कत आ रही है that they are not able to adjust their sectional preparation. For example, somebody is asking मेरे से quant नहीं हो रहा पूरा 7 दिन तक, मैं सिर्फ quant पे अटकता हूं तो मैं quant ही करता रहता हूं. I'm not able to cope up with 3 sections. How do I cope up with 3 sections? You can't finish syllabus in LRDI because there is no syllabus. Similarly, you can't pressurize yourself in VRC on syllabus because there is no syllabus. So let's build a week around the truth, not on the basis of the syllabus. Quant is topic based. You have number system, you have algebra, you have geometry, you have arithmetic. You can plan, revise and complete these topics one by one. But VRC and LRDI, are they topic based? No, they're skill based. There is no fixed chapter list for the reading comprehension section or data interpretation section. The only way to improve them is timed practice, solving as many questions, as many sets as possible, reviewing the mistakes and building speed and accuracy under pressure. 40 मिनट का सेट है, मुझे कितना अटेम्प्ट करना है, क्या एक्यूरेसी रखनी है. फिर एक और 40 मिनट का सेट है, फिर कितना अटेम्प्ट करना है और कितना मेरे को एक्यूरेसी रखना है. So in a single day, keep quant as a constant because it needs steady topic wise progress. Second, rotate your LRDI and VRC. Maximize time practice for both across the week since they thrive on repetition, not theory. For example, let's start with the Monday, quant and LRDI. You start your week with quant, pick up one topic, study the concept, then solve practice questions. Move to LRDI, take a time test and then start spending real time 40 minutes in that particular section. ये 3 सेट करूंगा, 1 सेक्शन करूंगा, गलत है. डोंट गो ऑन 3 सेक्शंस इन अ डे, 1 सेक्शन इन अ डे. जैसे मंडे खत्म किया, ट्यूसडे इमीडिएटली चेंज मार दो. क्वांट इज फिक्स्ड कांस्टेंट, ऐड कर दो VRC. नाउ सेम कंटिन्यू क्वांट टॉपिक, मे बी लेट्स से अनदर टॉपिक, मे बी प्रैक्टिस हेवी टॉपिक और लास्ट जो टॉपिक किया उसके क्वेश्चंस बचे हुए वो +1 टॉपिक एंड देन प्रैक्टिस timed RC and VA test. Wednesday, move on to quant and LRDI both. Midweek, back to quant. Back to क्यों? मैं तो quant पे ही था ना. तो quant तो fixed है. Midweek is Wednesday, quant plus LRDI. Thursday, another set of quant and VRC. Friday, another set of quant and LRDI. Now listen to me carefully. This is what you have done. You have distributed Monday to Friday. Saturday, take a full length test and do a detailed in-depth analysis of that test. पूरा दिन टेस्ट और उसका एनालिसिस को दे दो. Sunday, revise Monday to Friday का topics and whatever you have done in quant plus one set which you have missed. For example, you have covered 3 LRDI and you have covered 2 VRC. So one set of VRC which you have missed during Monday to Friday, cover it on this Sunday. This will help you to prepare a very solid Monday to Sunday plan. In this, only one thing is constant, that is quant. Because वो एक ऐसी चीज है जिसका सिलेबस फिक्स्ड है. LRDI टाइम सेट कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो. VRC टाइम सेट कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो. Try to maximize your accuracy in the timed test of any VRC or LRDI section. Maybe, let's say, a sectional test will help you, or let's say, some of you would have basic test, intermediate test, advanced test. Practice time test through them. Or you must be using some material. From that material, prepare your own time test. For example, 40 minutes, 16 questions of RC spread across 4 passages and these are 8 questions of VA. So I have created a bundle of 24 questions from my material and I'll be spending 40 minutes in these 24 questions. Agreed? This is how you have to spend your time. Sunday recovery है, consolidation है और उस दिन क्या कर रहा हूँ, सब कुछ जो मैंने किया था वो रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. फॉर्मूला, शॉर्टकट्स, मिस्टेक लॉग्स, एवरीथिंग. और इस वीक को क्लोज कर दो. एक VRC ले लिया जिससे कि मुझे मेरा VRC का बैकलॉग इकट्ठा नहीं होगा. सो बाय द एंड ऑफ द वीक क्या अचीव किया, कभी सोचना. क्वांट की कंसिस्टेंसी डेवलप करी, टॉपिक वाइज प्रोग्रेस चेक कर सकते हो हर रोज की. LRDI में 3 टाइम सेट्स दे लिया डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स पे. VRC में 3 टाइम्ड सेशंस दे लिया, डीप टेस्ट एनालिसिस कर लिया. 1 फुल मॉक टेस्ट दे दिया विद स्ट्रक्चर्ड एनालिसिस कर लिया. अ डेडिकेटेड रिवीजन डे एंड सो नथिंग यू लर्न गेट्स फॉरगेटन. हमारी गलती क्या हो रही है, हमको पता ही नहीं है. हिफाजत चल रहे हैं, कभी कुछ उठा लिया, कभी कुछ उठा लिया. आज 8 घंटा क्वांट कर लिया, आज 5 घंटा VRC कर लिया. दैट्स रॉन्ग. LRDI and VRC टुगेदर गेट मोर टोटल प्रैक्टिस टाइम देन क्वांट अक्रॉस द वीक. क्योंकि क्वांट में थ्योरी के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूं, यहां मैं प्योर प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूं LRDI की. क्वांट रिवॉर्ड दे रही है किसको, तुम्हारी डेप्थ ऑन फ्यूअर टॉपिक्स को. तो डेप्थ ऑन फ्यूअर टॉपिक्स बढ़ेगी. जैसे ही डेप्थ ऑन फ्यूअर टॉपिक्स बढ़ेगी, यू विल हैव more conceptual clarity and this will improve your accuracy. A quick tip, to make this work. Always time your DLRDI and VRC tests or sets, whatever you call. Even practice sets. Keep an inner log for quant, log topic-wise mistakes, LRDI, VRC topic-wise mistake. You don't skip. Saturday's analysis, even if you are tired, don't forget that. ये real learning day है. And Sunday revision is super important because उस दिन मैं सब कुछ पुराना उठा के वापस अपनी आंख के आगे से निकाल रहा हूँ. This is something which you guys have to do in a weekly plan. Try to make a plan for 7 days, then try to implement it for a short duration of 7 days, and then implement the same plan for the next week. This will help you a lot. So guys, this is exactly what you have to do in your weekly plan. Don't confuse your brain. Simplify things, simplify material. Ensure that you have relevant sources and you have one source or lesser number of sources. Don't go panic with internet. Don't go panic with a lot of other tools and things available. Just ensure that you are focused. Wish you all the best, guys. Keep rocking. Take care of yourself and do work hard. In case you like the content, please do like, subscribe the channel so that you get more content on your preparation. Thank you.